we have a pliable tortilla. Recipe will be underneath the video in the description box with a link to go print it on my website. But in here, I have 1 cup of corn tortilla flour and a half a teaspoon of salt. Corn tortilla flour is made out of corn, but it also has lime in it, so you can't use any corn flour for this. For our Australian and English friends, it is not cornstarch. Corn flour is what you call cornstarch. It is a flour made out of milled corn that has lime added to it. I'm just going to use my clean hands to mix this, okay? I have 3/4 cup of warm water in here. I'm going to add 2/3 first and mix it, and then see if I need more for a total of 3/4, okay? And I'm only doing this because we live in a very humid place, and sometimes my tortillas don't come out exactly like they should, like it says in the package. 1 cup flour, 3/4 cups water. So I'm going to start with 2/3. I'm not going to add more water. I'm just going to wet my hand, okay? This is exactly how it's supposed to be. Please gauge it. I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look and feel. And you decide if you need a little less water, a little more flour. Play with it, okay? Typically, though, the 1 cup of flour plus 3/4 cups of water works fine. Some people like to put a little oil in their corn tortilla. I don't, but you can go ahead. Maybe half a teaspoon. And obviously, you're going to have to gauge the liquid if you do that, okay? We want a dough that looks like Play-Doh. It's not sticky. It just looks like Play-Doh. That's what we want. The second thing I'm going to do is let this corn absorb that liquid well. So I'm going to put it in a bowl and I'm going to cover it with a damp, clean kitchen towel. And we're going to let this sit for 30 minutes. Okay. I am now going to form 10 balls the size of golf balls. I'm going to keep them covered with my damp rag. Guys, I'm making these like street taco size, okay? You can make 8 balls, even 6 if you want them bigger. Okay. I have an open Ziploc bag inside my tortilla press. I'm gonna put my little ball in the middle here. Typically, I am cooking one while I'm pressing the other one, but since I'm going to show you this in 2 different sections of the kitchen, I'm just going to press them all and we'll cook them. Let's go cook these. So, we're heating a grill until it's really hot, and this one is already. Don't put any oil in it, just dry. We're going to cook these tortillas about 45 to 60 seconds per side, and then flip them. See, now once it starts bubbling like this, we take it out into our basket that is lined with a dish rag. Like this, and we're going to keep it covered. Starting to bubble. An important tip, your pan has to be really hot. A basket full of corn tortillas. Make sure you wrap these guys. If you keep them wrapped, they're going to steam in there and get softer. It also keeps them warm. This is how you want it. You have to play with the water, guys. If you are seeing that they're sticking too much when you're pressing them, they're too wet. If they crack when you fold them, they're too dry. So just keep those little tricks in mind and you'll always have a perfect corn tortilla.
One thing about these, you don't have to double them. They will keep the filling really well. They don't get soaked real fast, which is great. Look at that, nice and soft. Mmm, delicious.